Hi, it's Fiona Fernandez here from byfihandcrafts, and I'm a Stampin' Up! Independent demonstrator. And I've just got my Stampin' Up! Package that I ordered last week with the 24-hour free shipping sale. I like to get things that are a bit heavier when I do that, when they offer a free shipping day. And I got some extra goodies. Put that open. I've got all the packing. And I've just got a few extra bits and pieces as well. So I've got the Blushing Bride metallic ribbon. So it's got a nice goldy shimmer there. Very lovely. That's out of the current mini catalogue, if you're looking for it. And this one is the Forever Greenery trim combo pack, and I wanted some more of the gold twine. I've been using a fair bit of that on my cards. I just love it. So that's out of the annual catalogue, which will be finishing soon, end of April. The new one comes out in May. Let me know if you'd like to be on the mailing list, so I need to know by the end of March. And this is the gold glitter enamel dots. So these are in the annual catalogue. And they've got like glittery bits inside them, look. Very pretty. And some more gilded gems, which are gold as well. Got a few different sizes in them. I just love those too. And I got some cardstock. So I've got a few different colours here. Gorgeous grape. And Merry Merlot. You can buy these in sets. The colours in your catalogue show you different sets. I'll just grab that. So if you don't want to buy individual packets, you can just buy, mine's all scribbled all over where I've got things. But see how you've got the Subtles collection? You can buy collections. See, this is the Brights collection. You'll get a couple of sheets of each of the colours in a whole packet. So that's a good way to buy them too. I think you'll find that over the page here, on page 144. So it comes A4 cardstock assortments, 20 sheets for each of 5 in colours, or you get them also in the packets of the different, brights, neutrals, subtles and regals. So that's a good way to get a selection of them and then decide what you want if you want a bigger packet of them. Because I'm doing quite a lot of card making and classes and things, I like to buy the big packets, and then I've got a whole lot. So you get 24 sheets in a pack, like this. Balmy blue. And also saffron. Seaside spray. And Highland heather. So I like putting the light and dark together. And then you always get a thank you in your box as well, and good idea to check what's in your box against your original order that you put in, just to make sure everything's there. Okay, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow night in my live. If you want to join me, come along and we do a bit of crafting. I do crafting. You're welcome to craft along with me, or just watch and take part in the conversation and contribute to my cards. I'll catch you later. Bye. Ciao.